Just to give a quick update on a small bug that was found by Brendan McAuliffe during the week, and thanks Brendan for finding this. Here's a quick summary of what was happening in some of the HPM sites. So if you were in the SMS builder and you tried to make any kind of edit, so if you were trying to add in the add-ins that we'd spent ages developing, or if you were trying to add in the patient name, or if you were trying to edit the SMS content, nothing was actually registering, or nothing was saving. So it was almost as if the clicks weren't really happening. So if you also tried to edit the sender name, all these buttons were just not active at all. So it turned out that there was a small bug in the browser based on a version issue. So we fixed that this morning. So you'll be able to go into your Blink dashboard now inside HPM. And you can go into the portal here. And what you'll find is, I know this portal is slightly small, we'll make it wider in the next release. So once you're inside the dashboard here, you'll now see that you can completely edit and amend the details for the SMS. So let's say, I'll give you a quick run through about how to do this again. Say, dear, let's add in the patient name. So add in the patient name. Your outstanding fee is, and you can add in the fee related to the payment amount, kind regards, and you can add in the name of the person sending it, or you can hard code in the name of the person. So kind regards admin at the practice, whatever you like. And you can see that the add-ins here, the sample ones, come up on the right to show you what they would look like. If you wanted to see what €50 looked like instead of 100, or 100 looked like in 50 instead of 50, you could do that. Or if you wanted to see what another patient name looked like, you could do that too. Sean Smith. And that just gives you kind of transparency on what it looks like on the right, and you might decide to fix a misspelling, or you might decide to add in the service date. Service on the service date. Then your final step is to add the payment link. It won't let you save without the payment link, and you click save. So you can see that the number of characters is still less than one SMS. We show you the count here on the right. You could edit the name of the practice as well. So if you were going to change that to the Med Center, and you can click save. And that's it. So once you send out an SMS from the patient, as you normally would, this new format will take place. And we have found that SMSs that have more information like this in it have a higher likelihood of getting a click and then a transaction completion on top of it. So apologies for that. You can, of course, the view payments page is also working here now as well, as are the sliders for your reports and the reminders. So we have 7-day, 24 hours, 48 hours, 7-day and 30-day reminders up here on the top. So any issues at all, send us an email. We're also happy to help build the SMS for you, and you can play around with the format, the template. You can see what different types of information looks like on the top, and then you can send yourself a test SMS then afterwards to see what it looks like. Okay, thanks again, and apologies for any confusion or any hassle that was caused with that update. It's all fixed as of this morning. And thanks again to Brendan for pointing it out. We welcome any other practices that notice any issues or have any issues or suggestions. Please shoot us on an email, and as I said, anybody that needs a hand creating their own SMS, customized one, just send me an email. I'm happy to do it for you. Bye-bye.